Hi guys, this is your girl Evanity Star coming back to you with another video. And this time guys, as you can see, I am coming to you with a fruit mukbang. Yes guys, a fruit mukbang. I want to maintain the healthy side of life, so I am just going to be enjoying my fruits with you guys as I go through this video, as I continue this video, and just chit chat with you a little bit. And here I have watermelon, I have tangerine, I have 2 bananas, I have some strawberry, I have some orange here that I peeled, that I not peeled guys, but cut in pieces. And I also have some grapes, but for the sake of the video guys, I rather keep the grapes out because it's a green screen and the grape is green. So guys, I just want to bless this food. Thank you for this fruits I received. Let me nourish and cherish my body. Yes guys, just thank you very much. I want you to follow me on Instagram. Guys, I start a merch store, and I just want you to, it will be down in the description, and you can just click on it guys, and it will not be accessible to be facing on the face of my channel guys until I get 10,000 subscribers. And guys, I just want you to work with me. I want you to subscribe, like, and share my videos that I can go up to that 10,000 subscribers guys. I need your help, and without you my channel is nothing. So guys, I just want you to just help me for me to reach up that I have faithful followers. So guys, I am just gonna be going through this here. I love watermelon. Sometimes I don't really like strawberries. I don't know why, but it all depends, because it can get very sour. Oh, it's really sour. It's good for your body. It's really good. I've been really busy all day, and the next time that I had, the other time that I had to go and sleep. I've been so tired. This watermelon is juicy and nice. I keep forgetting my baby, my Aquafina baby. I keep forgetting she's on the side, but I don't know if I'm going to drink any, because a lot of times when I have fruits, it's very hard for me to drink the water because the fruits have a lot of liquid. It tends to quench my thirst, fool me up. So guys, I want to thank you again. Thank you again. For giving me your support. Banana is sweet. Just fix up the rest. And the tangerine is not so sweet. I also love the watermelon. The watermelon just quench your thirst. Like, wow. I'm feeling so full already. So full, so full, so full. See? Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Excuse me. That was good. Good batch. Nice. So thirst quenching. So smooth going down and stuff. Nice. But stranger guys, I don't do this every day, and I should be. I should be doing this every day. Really should. Woo! Oh, that felt, guys. Ah. Okay. Wow. Like you say, you're having too much. Guys, like I said, just continue to show your love, continue to like, share, and subscribe to my video, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos to come. Guys, I am trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I just need you to help me so that I can, reach to a stage where I can be helpful for more people. I've been working on a lot of YouTubers' page, and it's somehow I just get the good feeling. I just feel so good when I'm doing it. I'm doing something for somebody. But to do the promotion, guys, it costs to do promotion. I just want you guys to give me the love and support, so that I can be able to afford the promotion. And I can't do this without you guys. Really, I'm not able to do this without you. So, guys, just continue to just show me your love. Just show me your love. Like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Because if you should know how many people that I'm helping, you'll be surprised. How many people. And I just need you to just contribute to my Cash App. I have a merch store. You can just click on this video. It's in the description, guys. And just help me to support me, guys, so that I can help other people. I never knew I could go all of this. Well, I finally did it. So guys, I want you to follow me on my Instagram, check out my Facebook page, give me a love and support, and show me that you love and care for Evanity Star TV, and you will see what Evanity Star TV can do for others, because I know a lot of people out there is having it hard, and a lot of people out there can't really support their YouTube channel. and they just think it's just uploading a video and just posting it. It's more than just that. You have so much work to do on it, guys, and just help me that I can help somebody else. And so God, I keep emphasizing this, you know, my merch store link is in my description, guys, so you can just go and check it out and just purchase some stuff so that I can bless somebody else. So guys, what you need to do? Just continue to like, share, subscribe to my videos, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can inform of more videos to come, so that I can get the love and support. So guys, like my grandmother used to say, you know what my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, guys.